Well, hello everybody. My name is Doug Thomas. You call me Mr. Thomas, and I'm a teacher at Winston High School in Watrous, and I'm trying to learn how to teach from a distance. So I'm just going to make this quick video to show you how to save your images of your assignments as a PDF. So hopefully this works. We'll see how it goes. So if you could take a look here, I am now on Google Docs. You can see the title of my document is demonstration, and I've already imported a picture here, and I just went to insert image and I found this image on my computer. Once I've inserted it, I can resize it and change it. So if you took a picture of your notebook or your assignment, you may want to stretch it out or expand it to fill the page, and then you might want to go to a new page as well. If you press Control and Enter at the same time, it should take you to a new page, as long as your cursor is not on the box, that is. So you can enter your second page here and make it as large as you want. So not too tricky there. If you end up with a picture that is sideways and you go to Image Options at the top, you can see this toolbar on the side pops up, and you may need to rotate it. So you can see here, if you rotate it 90 degrees, that will change the orientation of the picture. That might make it the way that you want it to be. Then the last thing you need to do is to download it. So if you go to File, Download, and you want to save it as a PDF document, you'll see that the file will start downloading here. You can see at the bottom right here, it's downloading there, and then you might want to show it in the folder so that you can copy and paste it from where you want to. So I just right-click, copy, and maybe put it onto my desktop or something like that. I'm sure you'll be good at that. So hopefully that helps, and if you still need more help, don't hesitate to contact me. I'd be glad to help you, and I'm looking forward to working with you for the remainder of the semester as we try and figure out this distance learning.